Want to boost your brain power and keep your nerves sharp? What if I told you that the secret to a better memory, improved focus, and a calm mind is just a few bites away? In today's video, we're revealing the top 10 foods that supercharge your brain and nervous system. From protecting your nerves to fueling your mind, these powerful foods are about to become your new best friends. Stay tuned, your brain will thank you. 1. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines. Fatty fish, particularly those rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are among the best foods for your brain and nervous system. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that make up a significant portion of the brain's structure. These fats play a key role in maintaining the fluidity of the brain's cell membranes and are vital for efficient communication between nerve cells. Research has shown that omega-3s, especially docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, are crucial for brain function and development. A study published in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience found that DHA is vital for cognitive performance and protecting against neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's. Omega-3s also help reduce inflammation in the brain, which can improve mood and protect against depression and anxiety. Furthermore, regular consumption of fatty fish has been linked to improved memory and may slow down age-related cognitive decline. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are often referred to as a superfood due to their dense nutrient profile and numerous health benefits, particularly for the brain. These small, vibrant berries are packed with antioxidants, including flavonoids, which have been shown to improve cognitive function and protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. Research published in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience demonstrated that regular consumption of blueberries can enhance memory and may even reverse age-related decline in cognitive abilities. The antioxidants in blueberries, such as anthocyanins, work by neutralizing free radicals in the brain, which can damage brain cells over time. By reducing oxidative damage, blueberries help maintain healthy brain function and may reduce the risk of developing neurodegenerative conditions, including Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. 3. Nuts, especially walnuts. Nuts, particularly walnuts, are another excellent food choice for boosting brain health. Walnuts are packed with essential fatty acids, including omega-3s, which support brain function and communication between nerve cells. They are also a great source of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help maintain the health of the nervous system. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition, Health Aging found that walnut consumption was associated with improved cognitive performance in older adults. Walnuts contain polyunsaturated fatty acids, PUFAs, which play a crucial role in brain plasticity, the brain's ability to form and strengthen neural connections. This property of walnuts can help improve learning and memory. Moreover, walnuts are rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect the brain from oxidative stress. For dark chocolate, particularly varieties with a cocoa content of 70% or higher, is not only a delicious treat but also an excellent brain food. It contains flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants that have been shown to improve cognitive function, memory, and mood. The flavonoids found in dark chocolate, such as epicatechins and catechins, have neuroprotective effects, promoting brain plasticity and enhancing memory. Research published in Frontiers in Nutrition indicates that dark chocolate can improve cognitive function and increase blood flow to the brain. A study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry also found that the consumption of cocoa flavonoids improved memory and attention in elderly participants. Additionally, dark chocolate has been linked to better mood, reduced stress levels, and even improved mental alertness, thanks to its moderate caffeine content. 5. Leafy green vegetables, spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Leafy green vegetables, such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are powerhouse foods for brain health. These vegetables are rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including folate, vitamin K, and magnesium, which are crucial for maintaining the health of the nervous system. Folate, also known as vitamin B9, is particularly important for brain function. It plays a key role in neurotransmitter production and helps regulate mood. Research has shown that folate deficiency can lead to cognitive decline, depression, and increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Leafy greens are also high in vitamin K, which is essential for maintaining the health of nerve cells and improving brain plasticity. 6. Eggs. Eggs are often regarded as a complete food because they contain a wide range of nutrients that support brain and nerve health. They are an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for the repair and maintenance of brain cells. Eggs also contain vitamins B6 and B12, choline, and folate, all of which are crucial for cognitive function and the overall health of the nervous system. Choline, a nutrient found in abundance in egg yolks, is particularly important for brain health. It is a precursor to acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory, learning, and muscle control. Research has shown that adequate choline intake is associated with improved cognitive performance and a reduced risk of age-related cognitive decline. 7. Avocados. Avocados are a nutrient-dense fruit that is beneficial for brain health due to their high content of healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Avocados are an excellent source of monounsaturated fats, which help improve blood flow to the brain and support cognitive function. One of the key nutrients found in avocados is vitamin K, which is essential for maintaining healthy nerve function. Additionally, avocados are rich in folate, which has been linked to better memory and cognitive performance. The antioxidants in avocados, such as lutein and beta-carotene, help protect brain cells from oxidative damage and promote healthy aging. 8. Turmeric. Turmeric, a bright yellow spice commonly used in Indian cuisine, is a powerful brain-boosting food due to its active compound, curcumin. Curcumin has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that support brain health and protect the nervous system. Research has demonstrated that curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier, allowing it to directly affect the brain. Studies have found that curcumin can improve memory and cognitive function, reduce inflammation in the brain, and protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. In fact, research published in the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry suggests that curcumin may help delay the onset of Alzheimer's disease and improve cognitive performance in older adults. 9. Broccoli. Broccoli is an incredibly nutritious vegetable that offers numerous benefits for the brain and nervous system. It is rich in essential nutrients like vitamin K, folate, fiber, and antioxidants, making it one of the top choices for promoting brain health. One of the key benefits of broccoli is its high content of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in the formation of sphingolipids, a type of fat that's abundant in brain cells. This fat is vital for maintaining the integrity of the brain's cell membranes and for efficient communication between nerve cells. Broccoli also contains a compound called sulforaphane, a potent antioxidant that has been shown to reduce oxidative stress in the brain. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, and it can lead to cell damage and contribute to cognitive decline. Sulforaphane has been shown to help protect brain cells by neutralizing these harmful free radicals. 10. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are small yet nutrient-dense snacks that are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which are beneficial for brain and nervous system health. These seeds are particularly rich in magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper, which are essential for proper brain function. Magnesium is crucial for maintaining healthy nerve function, and a deficiency in magnesium has been associated with increased risk of cognitive decline, anxiety, and mood disorders. Zinc, another key mineral in pumpkin seeds, plays an important role in neurotransmitter function and synaptic plasticity, which are critical for memory and learning. A study published in Neuropharmacology found that zinc supplementation in the diet improved cognitive function and memory in adults, suggesting that adequate zinc intake is crucial for brain health.